friends, welcome to STEAM. I'm Miss Janet from the Stouffville Library, and I would like us to talk today or think about water and dissolving. That's interesting. Let's see. I'm going to share a story with you that you may not know, but you may know. It's called The Gingerbread Man, and it is actually it's a folk tale from Norway. So I'm going to put some of the characters up on the board, and we're going to hear the story of the gingerbread man, and then we're going to be thinking about water and dissolving. So think of that as I tell you this story. So once upon a time, there was an old lady and an old man. So here's this old lady and the old man, and they lived together in a small house. And one day, this old lady, she decided to make a gingerbread cookie. Who likes gingerbread? I do. So she decided to make a gingerbread cookie. So she made a great big pot of gingerbread dough, and she formed a nice little man out of that dough, and then she put it on a baking pan and she put it in the oven to bake. So there's that pan. You can see that gingerbread man. He's in the oven. After a while, it began to smell so good that the old lady, she opened that oven door to check to see if that gingerbread man was baked or not. And as soon as she opened the door, this gingerbread man, he hopped out. He hopped right out of the oven and he ran out of the house, and he shouted as he ran, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." Well, that old lady and that old man, they ran after him, but that gingerbread man, he was faster. The gingerbread man, he ran on and on until he came across this animal. So I'm going to just move our old lady and her oven and her old man over here. So here's this gingerbread man. He's been running, and he came to a meadow, and he came across this cow. The gingerbread man, he says, first of all, the cow said to him, "Stop, gingerbread man, stop. You look good to eat." But the gingerbread man, he just kept right on running. "I've run away from an old lady and an old man, and I can run away from you too," he shouted. "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." Well, that cow, he ran after the gingerbread man, but that gingerbread man, he ran faster. So the gingerbread man, he ran on and on until he came to a horse. "Stop, gingerbread man, stop," said the horse. "You look good to eat." But this gingerbread man, he just ran on and on. He says, "I've run away from an old lady and an old man and a cow, and I can run away from you too," he shouted. "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." The horse, he ran after him, but the gingerbread man ran faster. That gingerbread man, he ran on and on until he came to a fisherman. "Stop, gingerbread man, stop," said the fisherman. "You look good to eat." But the gingerbread man, he ran on. "I've run away from an old lady and an old man and a horse and a cow, and I can run away from you too," he shouted. "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." Well, that fisherman, he ran after him, but the gingerbread man ran faster. The gingerbread man, he ran on and on until he came across a bunny rabbit hopping in the field. "Stop, gingerbread man, stop," said the rabbit. "You look good to eat." The gingerbread man ran on. "I have run away from an old lady and an old man, a cow, a horse, and a fisherman, and I can run away from you too," he shouted. "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." The rabbit, he ran after him, but the gingerbread man ran faster. The gingerbread man, he ran on and on to a big river. A fox was resting on the bank of the river. The fox was very clever, and although he wanted to eat that gingerbread man, he did not tell him. He said, "If you want to cross over the river, I can carry you on my tail so that you won't get wet." "Okay," said the gingerbread man as he turned around and he saw everyone else close behind him. He sat on the fox's tail and off they went across the river. But after a while, that fox, he said, "You're too heavy on my tail, and the water, it's getting deeper. Why don't you jump on my back so I can carry you all the way across the river?" "Oh," said the gingerbread man, and he jumped onto the fox's back. A few minutes later, the fox said, "The water is getting deeper here. Why don't you sit on my nose so you don't get wet?" So off the gingerbread man goes to get on that fox's nose. He said, "Okay," and he climbed right onto the fox's nose, and then that fox, he opened his mouth and snap! No more gingerbread man. But then again, gingerbread men are cookies, and cookies are made to be eaten. Yay! Yum, yum, yum. Who likes to eat those gingerbread men? I think you friends do. Okay. So I said at the beginning, we're going to be thinking about water and dissolving. And here we have some water, the river, and dissolving, the gingerbread man. So do you know what dissolve means? So when one substance called the solute dissolves into another substance called the solvent, so when that substance, which is going to be our gingerbread man, when he dissolves, it might look like he's disappeared, but in fact, he's just mixed with the water to make a transparent or a see-through liquid called a solution. So in this story, our gingerbread man did not dissolve because he got eaten up by that fox, but if he went in the water, what do you think would have happened? So what I would like you to do is get yourself a bowl of water, and Mom and Dad will need to help. Get a bowl of water, and then you're going to get some different items that you can put in the water and see if they dissolve or what happens to them. So I'm going to suggest some items that you might want to try. You might want to try some salt, and how about some kind of fruit juice crystals, like maybe you have some fruit punch powder, and you could put some of that in the water and see what happens to it. What about, you have some candies, like maybe some Skittles or something that you could drop in and see what's going to happen to them in the water. And just like our gingerbread man, maybe you have a graham cracker. You could take a piece of that and put it in the water. And then you might want something to stir it with, so like a popsicle stick for stirring, or a spoon. So get your water. Try putting in some salt. What do you think is going to happen? Will it dissolve? Will it all look like it disappeared into the water? What about this, the fruit punch powder? What's going to happen to it? Or what's going to happen to those Skittles? Or that piece of graham cracker? So I want you to do some experimenting. So maybe before you put each of those items into the water, you can make a prediction. What you think is going to happen. Is it going to disappear? It's all going to just dissolve into the water? Or is it going to stay there? Or what is going to happen? So you have fun checking out different items and see if they dissolve in your bowl of water. So have fun, and I will see you again soon.